looking for a powerful wireless speaker that actually sounds good and is simple, easy to use? Then look no further. The Denon Home 600 wireless speaker is here. I'm Kirsten from Audio Trends. Let's take a closer look. This is Denon's take on an all-in-one wireless speaker. And straight away, it feels a little more serious than your average Bluetooth speaker. You've got this clean, premium design. It's really nice to touch. The controls on top, it's small details, but it's kind of cool. But let's be honest, this is all about the sound. And this thing can move. You're getting a proper multi-driver setup and Dolby Atmos spatial audio, tuned to give you real room-filling audio. Not just background music, but something you can actually sit down and enjoy. Clarity in the vocals and enough power to handle larger spaces without falling apart. But where it really starts to make sense though, is the streaming side of things. It's built around Denon's HEOS platform, which means you can stream pretty much anything. Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music, internet radio, all straight from your phone. And it's not complicated. Open the app, pick your music, and you're away. You can also control everything directly from the speaker, or just use your phone like you normally would. No learning curve, no messing around. And if you want to take it further, you can pair two of these together for proper stereo sound, or link it into a full HEOS multi-room system. So you're not locked into just one room, you can build it out over time. And that's kind of the appeal here. It's simple to use, it sounds genuinely impressive, and it will fit into a larger system if you want it to. And if you're already into HEOS, it's a no-brainer. So this is the Home 600, there's also the Home 400 and Home 200 models, which are a little bit smaller. They're all on our website, so if you wanted to have a look at them, read up on the specs, it's audiotrends.com.au. If you want to have a chat, give us a call, 03 9874 8233. And I think that's correct. Yes, it is. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Really, no, small detail, but kind of cool. Small detail, kind of cool. Okay.